AI Lie Detector. We made a fun project using AI to detect lies. It might sound a little complex, but it actually works in 4 simple steps. The first step is typing in your emotion. The second one, it analyzes what you typed in. The third one, it reads your facial expression. And lastly, it compares what you typed in with your actual facial expression to see whether you're lying or not.
If face and text are both the same, which is happy, it will say Matt. And if face and text are not the same, it will say lying. For example, it says angry and the text says happy.
Here we have the code, it's all written, and we'll try to run it. So as you can see, we have a problem here, and the code is not done running. So the problem here is that we don't have the library, the deep face, installed.